Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to meet you once again. Today's episode showcases an elephant who had once been captured in a snare trap and escaped the trap but ended up having a hole in its trunk. So, without further ado, let's dive into the story. Now, look closely at the elephant's trunk. You might notice an opening. As you can see, the elephant takes in water through its trunk, and the water that the elephant manages to get through its trunk is expelled out through a visible opening. This incident was captured on camera when some elephants approached the forest border in search of food. The wildlife department monitors the forest border on a regular basis to ensure the safety and well-being of the elephants that have visited the border. Then the officials noticed an elephant with a hole in its trunk. Of course, the officials take necessary steps to contact the veterinary doctor to investigate the opening in the trunk. The doctor examines the elephant closely before giving his opinion, examining its eating pattern, body size, behavioral pattern, and even walking and standing pattern. He verifies that the elephant is in good health and does not require any medication. However, they have to figure out the cause of this tragic scenario. The officials and the veterinary doctor then declare that the elephant had been captured in a snare trap roughly before 6 or 8 months. However, the elephant has managed to escape the trap, and the wire or the strong string on the snare that got stuck on the elephant's trunk has caused a hole in its trunk. The wire or the strong string might have fallen naturally, leaving an opening in the trunk. Actually, the wound has been naturally healed, so cleaning it more deeply and sewing it could disrupt the natural healing process of the wound. That is why they decide not to interact with the laceration. Moving on, let's discuss why a trunk is essential to an elephant. The elephant's trunk is an extension of its upper lip and nose. The trunk can serve as an arm, leg, nose, and mouth. The elephant trunk is a highly useful instrument that elephants utilize for a range of tasks. Elephants use their trunk to transfer food to their lips while standing or sitting on the ground. Trunks can be used as weapons, trumpets, snorkels, or scoops to collect objects on the ground. The trunk contains more than 100,000 muscles. An elephant's trunk is also used to drink water, smell food, and communicate with other elephants. They may even use their trunks as a weapon, swinging them forward and striking the attacker. However, as you can see, This elephant has no difficulty with the injury on its trunk. It is able to grab food and drink water. The only difference is that the elephant will have to take a little longer to drink the necessary amount of water that it needs, because the hole in the trunk pushes out some of the water it takes in through the trunk. Yes, if the laceration had grown larger, the trunk could have been broken apart. That could have been a significant impact on the elephant's life, possibly ending its life. Luckily, the elephant manages to recover. The other thing we can discover is the unity and helpfulness of the herd. There are numerous reasons why an elephant has to be connected to a herd. The key reasons are shelter, safety, and the desire to feel secure. This moment is a great example of such a moment. This injured elephant is not left alone. It lives with its herd. That could have been a huge support for the elephant in its painful situation. Now, let's take a look at what is a snare trap. A snare is a simple trap used for capturing small animals, with a snare noose created with strong thread or wire. Snares are created to catch wild animals including rabbits, foxes, pigs, birds, squirrels, deer, and other tiny animals. However, innocent elephants get caught in these traps and even die without anyone noticing their pain. This strong elephant has adapted to life with the damage left to its trunk and now lives peacefully with its herd. There is an investigation ongoing to capture those who place unlawful snare traps in the forest. Once the suspects are identified, they will have to face legal consequences. That is the end of this story. Let's meet again with another video. Thank you for watching.